Alright, so this is just a quick video on how to run a factory PCM with your LS swap with a carburetor. Reasons you might want to do this is because the MSD and the Daytona sensors is around $600. I'm not spending that. It's now possible to, not spend all that much money, and you can either go either way, either with the EFI or the carburetor. So there's no price difference, honestly, to be honest, these days. So it's easy, and I did it for free. I started off with a 4160, and that thing was just leaking, and it was just giving me trouble. So I dished it, got my double pumper off of the shelf, and now it's idling and running fine. I'm gonna have to change the oil, but stock PCM, it works, and it was free. In the next clip, I'll show you a video of it running with through the OBD link, the app for the OBD link, and it'll show you what the ignition timing is. It'll show you coolant temp, and it'll show you the map. So I'm still using the stock map, and I'm using it as a vacuum source. You can't just plug in the stock PCM and disconnect the injectors, because you will go into limp mode. But I basically made a documentary documenting how I went about all this, and honestly, this was done. I figured all this out in about 2 days. The thing that had me giving the thing that was giving me issues was just the fact that my 4160 was just leaking gasoline. The ignition part, easy, stupid simple. So you could actually go either way now, so that's pretty good. And my PCM is in the fender, so you won't be able to see it. But the cool thing is that I can make the stock harness look very fancy, and the stock PCM will work just fine. So I'm gonna start it up real quick so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. And it runs fine. It runs well. It stays at the ignition timing that I want. Starts right up. It was leaking. It was running really rich. Like there was white smoke coming out, but I think that was just from the old carburetor. It's not smoking white anymore, so that's pretty cool. My stock PCM is right in here in the fender. You can't really see it, but look at those factory wiring harnesses. So yeah, LS swap works really well. Once I drive it and it actually put some miles on it, I'll post the video of how I did it. So for now, just know that it's possible and it's free. So thanks for watching.